Hey everyone, glad you could join us. We're gonna be cooking on the disco again today. We're gonna do a real quick recipe though. Tuna steaks. My daughter Renee's helping me, and we're just gonna do a quick dinner. So what we're gonna do, we have the disco lit and warm, and we're gonna get to work. Okay, so what we have here are some tuna steaks. And we're gonna get these cooking. You're gonna enjoy these, Renee.
That's tuna?
Yep, this is tuna. You're used to tuna in a can. These are tuna steaks. And we're gonna show you how to prepare those. You'll enjoy these. Let's put that there. Thank you. So we're gonna season these up real quick. The cooking process has already started. So I have some bay seasoning. Got some garlic that we're gonna just pour a little bit on top. Pepper. Bit of salt for seasoning. You always gotta use a little bit of salt. And some lime juice. Right on top. Try and keep it on top as much as possible. And right now it's cooking very well, very quickly. These are one of those great recipes for the disco. When you don't have much time to prepare, this is a quick dinner. Here's my trusty old spatula. So we're gonna let this cook for a little bit. You're not used to this kind of tuna though, huh? You usually have tuna salad. So this steak, you're gonna enjoy it. It's white, it's a white meat, and it's gonna flake. It's gonna be excellent. So we've let it cook long enough here on this side. Like I said, it's a very quick cooking fish. Look at that brownness there. There's flipped over there. And so we're gonna season this side just like we did the other. A little bit of bay, a little bit of garlic, right on top. Right there. We're gonna do a little bit of salt. Pepper, black pepper. Salt for seasoning. Just a little bit. And then we're gonna do a lime on this side as well. Look at that, people. And then we enjoy a quick dinner. That's one thing I like about this meal here on a disco. Warms up quick, the fish cooks quick. You have a quick dinner and you're good to go. By the way, it's very healthy. And so we'll let this cook for a little bit more. So what are you thinking about tuna steak now, Renee?
That's good.
You think you're gonna give it a try? Very good.
Can you make that into tuna sandwiches?
Actually, you can make it into tuna sandwiches, but I wouldn't suggest that. This is the fine cut from the tuna that we're gonna enjoy, like a steak. All right, I'm gonna flip it over one side just to get the spices warm. Look at that, people. Look at that. And so now we're gonna put it on the board and we'll take it inside. And there we go. Don't forget to clean your disco. All right. And here's our tuna steak. And we put some fresh parsley from the garden. And it's always good with a little bit of lime juice.
That's tuna?
No, that's the disco dish.